Hey, look at this bottle here. Question, is the bottle half full or half empty? You got 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. If you said half empty, you're gonna be a loser for the rest of your life. If you say it's half empty, you will lose with your career, you're gonna lose with your relationships, you're gonna lose as a parent, and you will lose financially. Now for the people, listen, that said the bottle was half full, you got an opportunity. See, some of you just need a mentor, some of you just need a push. Some of you need somebody to tell you that you right now have an opportunity to change everything in your life. And guess what? You don't have to spend more money. You don't need to read more books. No. You don't need to go to more seminars. Search Google all day. How to make money online. How to make money online. How do I make money? How do I get free? It's in you. You have the power to create the world that you want to design. You see this? Listen, I'm in a penthouse. I started from an outhouse, poor, nothing, no money, no resources. But now I'm in the sky. Why? Not because I'm smart, not because I'm intelligent, it's because of my mind. Listen, on the next page here, because you're either going to get this or not. Everybody that saw this bottle here, how full, I want you to click the link below. On the next page, you're going to see a video. It's going to share with you a script word that you can use to begin to recondition your mind quickly. I mean now. That tomorrow morning, if you said tonight, you will perceive your world differently. Once you see your world differently in a positive way, positive things will happen. If you're able to see abundance, abundance will be attracted to you. If you're able to see opulence, riches, those things will come to you now. I'll see you on the next page. Everybody right now that's watching this, that saw this bottle half full, click the link below. If you saw it half empty, peace. I don't want to talk to you. I love you, but I don't want you close to me. I would rather cut you out of my life now. Because even though you have potential, and even though you may have a desire to win, but until you realize that this bottle is half full, you'll never understand or realize what it takes to win. So everybody else, I'll see you on the next page. Let's go! Go now, let's go! Let's go! Now! Next page, baby, let's go!